Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we are inside. This is a redo because the first time I did it, the camera was not recording. So what I'm going to be discussing is I have got a new GoPro Mini 11. Here's the box. You can see I kind of destroyed it when I was opening it up. So, I just got it, and like I said, I wanted to do a unpacking, and I did, but the camera was not recording. So, needless to say, I said a few choice words, but so here's the carrying case, and now let's open it up and reveal what's inside. So I got the recharging cord there. Here's the camera. As you can see, it says the GoPro. It's the Mini 11, the black Mini 11. I already programmed it. I got it paired with my phone, and that was a little bit of trial and error trying to get that to work. I finally got it to work. What you need to do is when you turn it on, it'll say whatever language you want, and then there was something else, and then when the Bluetooth comes on, then you have to get your app ready and everything on your phone. You got to do it kind of quick, and then if you can't, just do a factory reset and keep trying. I had to do it like 4 or 5 times, and then I finally got it to pair with my my phone. So I did a little video recording on this. It seems very nice. What I like about it is you can hold it like this, or you can go back here. I don't have much for nails, so like that, and you can record like this. So it's kind of cool. They don't have a case around it like some of the other ones, but yeah, so this is the GoPro Mini Black 11. So I do have a GoPro 7. It still works very good. The only problem I do not like is with this one, it has that fisheye effect to it. So like when I'm doing videos with slot machines and stuff like that, you can tell it has that really rounded look, and I don't like that with this camera. So now that I got this one, that should eliminate that. And I do have another slot channel. I'm starting to get it going. It's called DAB Slots, Keeping It Real, and that too will have slot machines, and I'll do some scratch tickets, lottery tickets, some kind of gambling type of review, or not reviews, but like recordings and stuff like that on that channel. So, and then this one will be just all sorts of things. Like I like to cook, work on vehicles, work on lawnmowers, snowblowers, whatever small engine I like to work on, kayaking, camping, stuff like that. So I'm continuing doing that, and I appreciate everybody that subscribes to the channel. I really do. It means a lot to me. And and I'm also was posting too about my bout with cancer. I completed my treatments. Now I got to go see the doctor next week, Tuesday. And that'll be February 7th, and he'll see how things are progressing, and it looks really good. So I'm really upbeat about that. I feel better. I've gained some weight a little bit, which was really good, and because I was really not eating and stuff like that, I was really down on myself because I didn't know what to expect. So a new look on life, and gonna enjoy it, and I'm gonna enjoy making videos too while doing it. So I have the 2 cameras. I have another camera that I'm recording off of. It's the Panasonic. It's a bigger camera. It's got zoom and stuff like that. And then I also have my new iPhone, a 14 Plus. So that I'll also be recording off of too. And so I'll have a lot of recording devices that I can use and make videos, and I hope everyone enjoys it. So Like again, I said in the beginning, this was a redo of the video. I didn't realize that the camera was not recording. So, but yeah, that should do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching. Again, if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, whatever you will do to try to keep this channel going. Appreciate it, and we'll see you again next time when I come out with another video. Take care for now. We'll see you.